Hi, today I will be showing you how to integrate your Apple TV 4th Gen Siri Remote with your macOS. You will need a Mac with Bluetooth Low Energy capability and the physical remote. Please check out my GitHub repo for the detailed steps and project files. The first thing you need to do is pair your remote with your Mac machine. So open System Preferences and select Bluetooth. Then hold Volume Up and Menu on your remote. And when you see your remote show up in Devices, click on Connect. On my screen, the remote is already connected. Next, create a folder called SiriRemote on your desktop and download the following: Xcode Packet Logger from Apple developer site for your macOS version, Soundflower system extension, SiriRemote voice control application from my GitHub repo, a modified version of TrackMagic created by Nathan Vanderwilt, also included in my GitHub repo. So now your desktop folder should look like this. Next, install Soundflower system extension. This will allow SiriRemote voice control application to direct audio from the remote as input into the system. Once installed, open System Preferences, then Keyboard, then Dictation, and set Soundflower 2-channel as input to the mic. Next, open Terminal window, change directory to your SiriRemote folder on your desktop, and run SiriRemote voice control command as outlined in the detailed steps. Now you should be able to use your SiriRemote to dictate. At this moment, I am holding on the mic button on the remote, and as you can see, what I am speaking is getting dictated. When I let go of the mic button, dictation stops. Optionally, run TrackMagic app to control your Mac with the SiriRemote trackpad. At this moment, I am moving the cursor with the remote trackpad. Going further, if you set Soundflower 2-channel as input and configure accessibility, you then can say "Hey Siri" to trigger Siri on your Mac. Hey Siri. What date is it?
It's Friday, the 30th of October 2020.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and head over to my GitHub page for the detailed steps.